This is my first day at work. I'm living on my own, from homeless to millionaire, and my alarm clock didn't go off. I'm extremely late. I don't know where my Uber driver is at. And then come to find out, my girl broke up with me. So I no longer have a ride. Now I have to figure out how I'm going to get to work because I won't be able to sustain just paying Uber the whole time. But you know what I'm saying? It's all good. I had to get stripped of everything. You get what I'm saying? I don't have anything left of my old identity, man. And it is what it is. I do feel bad, man. I'm in pain because, you know, it is what it is, man. I'm a I'll continue this video later on, y'all. I'm showing y'all all the real emotions right now. Right now, I just gotta keep it together. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm late for work. And my girl just broke up with me last night. You feel me? And you know, it is what it is, bro. But yeah, from homeless to millionaire, man. Mindset is everything. You feel me?